Mr. Warbling, did you happen to talk to Mr. Goss about Jonathan Brown's matter?
Jonathan Brown.
Because it's already assigned.
Oh, but I thought they went in the breakout room and he talked to him. Oh, he said he wanted to talk to him again. You're right. You're right. He said he wanted to talk to Mr. Goss.
Donovan Brown, Judge.
Yeah, you're the one that's waiting for Mr. Goss on Jonathan Brown. Is that correct, Mr. Sarah?
That's correct, Judge. Also,
Okay.
Cheetah Berry and William Bunch.
We have those.
We have the, so Mr. Warbling does have the office on those.
Oh, okay.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Oh, there we go.
Perfect. Can you meet Mr. Sarah in a breakout room?
Sure.
Mr. Sarah, co-host, can you go into a breakout room with Mr. Goss?
Sure, but I thought you said that Mr. Werbling had those cases.
Not for Jonathan Brown, because you had already gotten assigned to Jonathan Brown. We went on the record. You said that you needed to talk to Mr. Goss because you didn't know about all the other cases or something.
All right.
But that was your request.
Thank you, Judge.
Let's meet in room 1.
All right.
All right. Ready for Grace Browning. One moment. I should have been ready for Grace Browning, but I wasn't. I am now. I am sorry, but I can't quite make out the charge on this ticket, Miss Cole. Can you?
It's a conservation ticket. I believe it's for 5 inches. It's under the DNR. When people are fishing, there's certain violations.
I see possession of live GOBY as bait. Is that what that says?
I know that I have several for like I think you said, Miss. Well, basically, I am going to dismiss the ticket because I'm actually unsure myself. Mr. Wardley let me speak with Miss Browning, and I've got to clarify that with but it sounds like it was a smaller fish that she was using for bait, but.
I see. Okay.
But she did tell me she threw it back into the water, and I think the case should be dismissed.
All right. Well, I am ready to proceed. Now calling the matter of the People versus Grace Browning, ticket number N808003221, possession of live fish as bait. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Paula Cole on behalf of the People.
Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
And today is the date and time set for a show cause. Counselor, how would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, the People are recommending dismissal of this matter. Mr. Warbling let me have a discussion with Ms. Browning about the ticket, and at this point, I believe it should be dismissed.
Okay, the court will dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. Browning, you are free to go.
Thank you so much. Is there any way that I can have documentation that it's been dismissed because the matter came up on a background check for my job and they were inquiring about it?
Oh, wow. Okay. We can get an order of dismissal, but it may take about a week.
Okay.
Okay.
Is the address that's on your ticket, is that the correct address, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want us to mail it there?
Please, I would really appreciate it.
Okay. Madam Court Reporter, is that something you can do?
No.
No?
Mail something?
To prepare it, to draft it?
No.
Okay. I'll have my court clerk to do it.
Okay.
Miss Browning, we'll try to get that to you as soon as possible.
All right, thank
Your Honor,
you.
she can also use the register of action when the show is dismissed. It would be quicker.
Okay. Can I go down to 36th District Court and possibly get that?
You can do that online.
Okay. All right. Fine. That'd be great. That'd be great.
Thank you. That's good enough for you? The actual register of action is good enough?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get it. If I can, I'll just come down.
Yeah.
If you can't, then call it. If you can't, then call my courtroom and ask for a dismissal, the actual order for dismissal.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
If you're if the register of action is not good enough for your employers, call my courtroom and we'll get you a dismissal.
Thank you. I would do that. Thank you.
Okay,
All right.
take care. Good luck.
You too. Thank you. You guys have a good day.
Thank you.
Can someone send Johnathan Brown to a breakout again? I need to talk with him.
Okay.
Mr. Brown, you go back to your breakout room. He's able to maneuver back and forth to his breakout room on his own. He knows how.
I'm headed there, man.
I'm sorry, Mr. Brown. He's in there now.
What time did you log in, sir?
All right.
You logged in at 1:45.
Mr. Workman, who are we ready to see on?
Yeah, we were ready on
Sir, I'm trying to tell you.
Miss Barry.
All right.
Oh, Mr.
And
Biddles is
And I did not lock the meeting. You did not join the meeting. Now, if you want your court date rescheduled, I can do that for you. Okay?
Now calling the People versus Tashida Melody Berry, ticket number SP 137-06393. One count of no insurance misdemeanor, one count of improper plate. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
And Warbling P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Ms.
Ms.
Barry,
Berry,
can you
will
state your name?
Hi, Shada Berry.
And just for the record, to be clear, there is an additional count of driving unregistered untitled vehicle. Is it Mr. Werbling's case? Is this Mr. Werbling's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Werbling, how are we continuing with this matter?
She'll stand mute and wait for a reading for purposes of the arraignment.
Oh,
This
enter
time.
that.
Thank you, Your Honor. I was able to examine the documents, Your Honor, for the 2009 Chevrolet Malibu. She has valid registration and insurance, Your Honor. So we're moving to dismiss for valid documentation, all three counts.
And that was for, you said for 2009 Malibu?
That's correct, Your Honor.
So the court has taken note that an officer of the court has verified documents on behalf of Ms. Berry, therefore this matter will be dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So, Ms. Berry, make sure that you have these documents in the vehicle with you at all times, ma'am.
I do, Your Honor. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Need one for the because he couldn't get it to a breakup.
Mr. Verbling,
Yes.
are you representing Donovan Brown?
Johnathan Brown?
Donovan,
Oh, sorry.
No, I haven't spoken to him.
okay,
That's me. I need it.
okay. Is no offer as the two charges? I need the officer. But I would recommend if he wants a better offer, take a defensive driving course. State.
Set it for trial.
No, Your Honor.
Don't set it for trial.
Oh, yes. I'm sorry. But give them enough time to take a class if I'm doing two things at once. Yeah, see the end? So that's,
So for that, Jonathan Brown matter, please advise your client to, per the prosecutor, to take the class. And we'll set this for trial on.
I just push it out.
Well, we can do any day except you. Yeah. Our board is not.
Okay, we'll set it for trial May
I'm out of time that week.
26th at 9 a.m. You got that, Mrs. Sarah?
Yes, I do. Did you get that, Mr. Brown?
Yes.
You need to take a defensive driving course before May 26.
Okay.
And appear back on this same Zoom at 9 a.m. on May 26th.
Keep on probation, get on.
Okay. How do I go about taking that driving course?
You can call it the probation department. And they can give you a list of, just what he called.
The phone number is 313-965-3414.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Matt always gives me numbers to the drug. He only had an ROA, Your Honor. That's why he.
But the reason why I sent it to, I don't like going to Secretary of State because you get view Secretary.
I think we're ready on Johnathan Brown.
Now calling the people versus Jonathan Rashawn Brown, ticket number SP 139. Oh, we need to, okay, Mr. Brown is now present in the courtroom. What moment?
Yes, sir.
Now calling the people versus Jonathan Rashawn Brown, ticket number SP 139-08271, one count of no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number SP 139-09401, one count of defective or missing equipment, ticket number SP 139-09411, one count of disregarding traffic control, and ticket number SP 139-09412, one count of no receipt of registration. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Rudy Sarah, P 35720 on behalf of Johnathan Rashawn Brown.
Will you state your name again for the record, Mr. Brown?
Johnathan Rashawn Brown.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial on one matter, and 3 hearings are scheduled for today for the other 3 matters. Mr. Sarah, how would you like to proceed?
An offer has been made to Mr. Brown to plead guilty to blockading, and all the other matters would be dismissed. And he would like to take advantage of that offer.
Okay, so is it going to be the disregarding traffic control that we're reducing to blockading?
Yes, all of the other matters, according to Mr. Goss. And he's going to plead to blockade.
Is it the disregarding traffic control device that we're reducing to blockading?
Oh, yes.
Okay. And Mr. Brown, you had an opportunity to talk to your attorney. He advised you of your rights and you understood those rights, correct?
Yes.
All right. And you're okay with the plea agreement?
Yes.
And you stipulate, Mr. Sarah, to the 4 corners of the ticket for the factual basis on the blockading?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court will enter a responsible plea to blockading and set a fee of $175, and we will dismiss all other matters without prejudice. Mr. Brown, how soon would you be able to pay the $175?
Today.
Okay, so it's not gonna be in the system today, so I'm gonna give you 2 weeks to pay it. You have until March 29th. I'm gonna set this for review on March 29th. If you don't pay it by then, please show back up in court on that date at 8:35 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
That concludes your matter. You're free to go, Mr. Brown. Ready to proceed on any other matters?
And Mr. Biddles, who's rejoined us, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Goss, is the William Bunch case one that you're handling, or is that Paula?
It's Paula. We have to call her again. I have to call her back.
All right, thank you.
And I just had her here, so. And that's what I told him. But he didn't. She did a little different today. So. And I don't know which one's the state pieces and which one's not. So I guess I don't know. Oh, I'm calling back here.
Mr. Wirbling, did you handle Tenisha Berry?
Yes, that one's already, yep. Oh, yeah, and then Destiny Brown in 18, but she was not responding. So I don't, okay. That was gonna be a 3-month delayed, but she's not, for some reason, she's not responding.
We'll be calling, I'm sure. Ready to proceed on Biddles? No, I am not ready to proceed on Biddles because I only have 1 minute.
He has 3.
Which one? 5, he has 1.
Miss Cole, sorry, this is Latifah. We need you back. I'm sorry. Sorry. Look. Yeah, Judge Yancey 335. I'm sorry. Yeah, thank you. Okay, bye-bye. There's a preacher out here. He played on this case. It's a lot of cases I've been seeing.
Mr. Biddles, did you pay a speeding ticket today?
Last night.
Yeah,
Last night.
and they posted today.
And Judge, I think he paid the unregistered as well. But what, well, I don't know how he could have done that if.
No, he
Sorry,
still
I
owed
take that
money.
back.
Yeah, he still.
It's as if he took a plea already to the unregistered.
Right.
So
Right.
Yeah. He took a plea on that one. He took a plea on that back in October 17, 2022.
Yeah.
So he still owes $198 on that ticket.
so technically, it's only 1 matter on the two matters that should be heard today.
1 matter they need to be heard. 1 matter he just need to pay.
Now I'm calling the People versus Marquis Biddles, ticket number P127-920. 1 count driving while license suspended. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Wirbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Sir, can you state your name for the record?
Marquis Biddles.
And I'm sorry to interrupt the record, but Ms. Cole and Mr. Sarah, can you go to the breakout room to discuss the William Bunch matter?
Breakout room 2, Paula?
Certainly.
Thank you.
My apologies. Mr. Biddles, will you state your name for the record? And come
Marquis
on camera.
Biddles.
I know you had your camera on, sir. You turned it back off. Okay, thank you. So today is the date and time set, I believe, for a hearing in this one matter. No, this one is set for pretrial. Mr. Worthing, how would you like to proceed on the driving while license suspended matter?
So Judge, he indicates that he has a valid license now. If that's verified, we'd move to dismiss for valid documentation.
Okay. And he paid the ticket, well, he still needs to pay on the driver's register untitled vehicle ticket. So I understand that you paid the speeding ticket yesterday. How soon will you be able to pay the driver unregistered untitled vehicle ticket, Mr. Biddles?
I'll be able to pay all of it by next Friday.
Okay. I am going to set this matter for review. You're saying Friday the 24th?
Correct.
Now for review, April 17th. So you have until then to pay it. If you don't pay it by April 17th, 2023, I need you to be back on this Zoom at 8:35 a.m.
Okay.
In terms of the other matter, the ticket number ending in 9420, driving while license suspended, the court has verified that it is a valid driver's license currently. Therefore, we would dismiss this matter without prejudice.
Okay.
Thank you,
Your
Your
Honor,
Honor.
Your Honor, you said next week on it when I have to be back on court if the ticket isn't paid.
A month from now, 30 days from now, it's 4/17, April 17th at 8:35 a.m. if it's not paid.
Okay.
Okay, so write that down. It's important that you show up and let me know why you didn't pay it.
All right. April 17th. Okay.
You're
8:30
free to
a.m.
go.
All right.
Take care.
You too.
Thank you, Your Honor. Oh, there's Destiny.
I just let her back in, Attorney Workley.
Okay.
You need to put her back in the breakout room.
Yeah, but if I could, that'd be great. Thank you.
I'll put her in room 3 if that's okay.
Perfect. Thank you.
Miss Brown, go to room 3. Join room 3, Miss Brown. There she go. And then we're just waiting on. Mhm.
I'm like, I do, like, but I'm literally looking at I have one on my desk, so
Is that
I know
Destiny?
that's the only one.
That's not Destiny.
I don't have Destiny's either. So the one on my desk is Biddles, the one that I just did.
Okay.
That's it.
Where is? Ms. Collins, did you see that he was able to get into a breakout room now?
It looks like,
William Bunch, you see that?
did he come in on a different device?
I don't know, but we was trying to get him in a breakout room. No, that was William Bunch. We tried to get him into a breakout room and he kept going in and bouncing back out. Wow. Attorney Werbley, you ready?
We are ready on Ms. Brown.
Okay. We just wait. Uh-oh. Hold on.
Now calling the people versus Destiny Andrea Brown, ticket number SP 139-04391. One count of allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P648889 on behalf of the defendant. Miss, can you state your name, please?
Destiny Brown.
And Your Honor, date and time set for a show cause, but she wants to waive her rights and accept the offer at this time.
Okay, and what's the offer?
It would be pleading guilty as charged, but be pursuant to a 3-month delayed sentence.
Was it only 3 months?
That was what my notes indicate. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Brown, will you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that what you say today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I didn't hear you.
Do you swear or affirm that what you say today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you can put your hand down. So you had an opportunity to speak to Attorney Werbling, and he advised you of your rights, correct?
Yes.
And did you understand your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything, force you, or threaten you to take this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And you're pleading guilty because you actually are guilty?
Yes.
All right, and I'm gonna turn your attention, to September 15th, 2022. Did you allow someone, an unlicensed driver, to drive your vehicle?
Yes.
Okay, satisfied, counselor?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, so the court will enter a plea of guilty for allowing unlicensed driver to drive with a 3-month delay. Ms. Brown, during this 3 months, you are not able to get any tickets in your name. You definitely are not able to allow anyone to drive your vehicle, an unlicensed driver to drive your vehicle, okay? During the 3 months time, you can't just try to have no police contact whatsoever in this 3 months, and I will see you back here. One moment. But June 15th is gonna be your date at 8:35 a.m.
You said June 15th?
June 15th. Is that okay with you?
That's right after I give birth.
Oh, yeah, no. Whoa. It's unpredictable during that time whether or not you'll be able to. So let's do July. You okay with doing July, just to make sure that you're safe and sound at home by then?
Yes, yes.
Okay, let's do July 6th. Because I
Okay.
can predict that you might carry two weeks, at least 2 weeks past. So let's do July 13th.
Okay.
July 13th at 8:35 a.m.
Okay.
All right, that is it. That concludes your matter for today. Good luck.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
So what happened to William?
Your Honor, he didn't know how to get out of the breakout room and I tried to bring him out and now he's gone. Ms. Cole and I both spoke with him and he understood his case was going to be dismissed, so he may have thought it was okay to leave.
Yes.
Do we have any contact information for him?
No.
Oh, what a day, what a day. So, Ms. Cole, did you write out an offer? Can we have the offer in writing that we can add to the file, reschedule this matter for another day?
Yes, because I appreciated Mr. Sarah let me speak to him about what he did and why he can't ever do it again.
Okay.
I'll write out something right now. Mr. Sarah, can you email me all the information on that, the ticket number? Do you have everything?
Yes.
And then you can send it to me, Ms. Cole.
Oh, sure. That's, I certainly will.
That way I can put it in the file.
Oh, that's great. He said he would never be back here, so I was happy with that.
Okay.
I am checking the breakout room just to make sure.
Yeah, I looked in there and didn't see him. What was the name again?